Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is 2024 C Japan earthquake. On 1 January 2024 at 1610 JST 710 UTCF MJ MA 8.6 or MW 7.5 earthquake struck 7 km from 4.3 mi northwest of Suzu, located in Noto, Ishikawa Prefecture of Japan, and the largest earthquake country since 2015. Ogasawara earthquake, UTC time 2024 1171009. ISC E1 6363733 USG ANSS Comcat, local date 1 January 2024, local time 161009 JST UTC plus 9, duration 40 seconds, magnitude 7.6 MJ MA 7.5 MW, depth 10 km 6 mi, USGS, epicenter 37.498 N 137.242 E, type reverse, area affected Japan, max intensity JMA 7, IX violent, tsunami 1.2 M and 3.9 feet, landslide S, foreshock 5.7 MJMA, aftershock greater than or equal 60, largest being 6.1 MJMA, casualty 48 dead, 109 injured, 2 cardiac arrest. Japan Meteorological Agency JMA official name. This earthquake in 2024 Noto Peninsula earthquake also led to Japan first major tsunami warning in since 2011 earthquake. Tsunami measuring over 1.2 m, 4 feet observed along with the Sea of Japan. Tectonic setting. Northeastern tip Noto Peninsula has been subjected to earthquake swarm 3 years. Earthquake largest event in swarm so far, surprising MW 6.3 event took place in May 2023. The earthquake was strongest hit Sea of the Japan region since 1983. Japan is situated convergent boundary between Pacific Filipino Sea, Arctic Amurian Plate, along with the Island arc east and southeast coast of the Pacific and Filipino Sea Plate occur at the Japan Trench and Nankai Trough, respectively. West coast of Hansu, Bering Sea of Japan in north-south trending convergent boundary. This is boundary between Amurian and Arctic Plate through the incipient subduction zone consisting eastward of dipping thrust and fault of convergent tectonic have been occurring in the region since end of the earthquake, and tsunamis produced and thrust fault of the form of boundary with a magnitude or range of 6.8 to 7.9 mj, and a major earthquake tsunami along with the boundary occurred 1741, 1833, 1940, 1964, 1983 and 1993. Although origin of the 1741 tsunami remain open to debate. Earthquake. Interstate Geological Survey USGS reported moment of magnitude 7.5 and the focal depth of the 10th kilometer 6.2 mi for the earthquake. Japan Meteorological Agency record magnitude of MJMA 7.6. The focal mechanism main shock of the correspondent shallow reverse faulting along with the northeast trending plane and dipping northwest of the southeast and happening along the convergent boundary between Okosa and Arctic Plate and Amurian Plate. Magnitude of 5.5. 4 struck off 4 minutes before the main shock, while magnitude 6.2 after shock and struck 9 minutes later. About 150 aftershock was recorded after the earthquake, with at least 7 of them registering magnitude 5.0 and above, according to finite fault model released by USGS. Earthquake repulsor of extended approximately 200 km 120 mi from southeast of the Noto Peninsula, Sado Island, along with southeast of dipping fault zone of the largest slip occur northeast and southwest of the hypocenter. Later patch produced and largest displacement 3.67 mi and 12 feet of the beneath peninsula. Another zone slip occurred between peninsula and Sado Island along with the southeast of dipping fault. Ocean of the largest slip occurred northeast of southwest hypocenter. Later patch of the producing up to 1.86 m 6 feet and the slip of the fault and likely reposed between the sea floor. Geospatial and Information Authority of Japan said parts of country moved out to 1.3 m 4 feet 3 in westward of the maximum displacement observed Wajima due to the crustal deformation, and land shifted 1 m 3 feet 3 in westward of the Hoover agency said this movement could be slope or local ground movement instead. Intensity. Japan Meteorological Agency said it recorded maximum seismic intensity of the 7 and highest level of seismic intensity scale. First time that earthquake intensity has been observed country since 2018. Maximum intensity was reported the Ishikawa and the prefecture of intensity 6 plus was recorded Nano and Zuzu of seismic intensity and the 5 of higher intensity prefecture. JMA also reported that Nodo region of Isgam Prefecture registered by highest possible long period ground motion LPGM intensity of 4 tsunami. Japan, large parts of Japan western coast from the prefecture of the immediately placed under tsunami warning. Earthquake struck with the excavation. Earthquake triggered major tsunami warning. First one since 2011 earthquake. Public broadcaster NHK said tsunami wave 5M 16 feet and could be expected, though the small wave later arrived. Pacific Tsunami and Warning Center said dangerous tsunami wave will be possible within 300 km 190 mi of the epicenter. Evacuation order recorded by 62,000 people within the 1,000 evacuation finding the shelter of Japan Air Self-Defense Force being with the prefecture of the alone. First wave were reported to have arrived at around the 16.21 and tsunami wave exceeding the striking at Wajima and 4 feet 1.2 mi. Tsunami measuring 19 cm 35 in struck of the while tsunami 80 cm 31 mi struck of the and waves measuring 50 cm and 20 in were recorded the while waves measuring 40 cm were recorded at the Tokyo and Soda is tsunami capsized many fishing vessels carried some of the land building collapsed overturned where car were observed the news and helicopter flyover of the city. Residents recalled tsunami wave washing over the road and picking up car of debris. Also estimated wave of the 3M 9.8 feet and above the tide level of and Isgam Prefecture governor and the tsunami flood and Lida port and area of the 100M 330 feet and Sika series tsunami wave they reached the port of 1740. Major tsunami warning was later downgraded. Tsunami warning 2030 about 4 hours after earthquake of tsunami warning were later downgraded. Advisories were the eventually lifted 10.01 on 2 January about 18 hours after earthquake. Elsewhere along with the Sea of Japan coastline of the province and South Korea could be experienced under rise sea level of the according to Korea Meteorological Administration wave 0.3 m and 1 feet of were anticipated. Nation east coast from the 1829 to 1917 local time 0.45 m 1 feet 6 in tsunami later reported that have occurred in the 0.85 m and high wave the reportedly struck of the around 20 local time of the tsunami height of 0.6 mm. North Korean state radio tsunami warning was issued wave of 2.08 m 6 feet and 10 potentially hitting country east coast. Warning of tsunami wave estimated to reach 1 m were also issued Russia particularly along with the west coast of the Island and evacuation were be said conducted by although Russia later said the evacuation were taking place the tsunami warning were also declared at the emergency ministry of Russia said response team already deal with the possible consequence of tsunami. City official and were later the tsunami observed that the tsunami passed almost unnoticed impact. All 48 recorded fatalities and Izukuwama attributed the collapsing houses. 20 people died in Zuzu and Wajima 5 nano. 109 people were also injured across 7 prefectures of the at least 50 houses collapsed after fire occurred in the city around the 17 due to damaged road of firefighter and were unable to extinguish flame which is consumed and estimated 200 building including many homes. More than 30 people were be injured city with while many more injuries were reported Zuzu. Many houses were engulfed in flames. Isgama and police station were said collapsed. Homes of the trapped people were be there rescued. At least 14 people were buried by collapsed homes into the Wajima. Multiple injuries were be reported. Local fire and health department spokesperson at the Wajima Municipal Hospital people said broken bone are the were injured falling objective. Beside 2 fatalities, 1 person was injured. 2 houses collapsed in Sika and 1 person unconscious. 9 building collapsed. Suzu 53 home collapsed across mountainous region. Peninsula landslide were also widespread. Home were destroyed by the fire and tsunami. Vast debris onto street. Operation of Noto Airport suspected the 5 crack of the lung 10 m 33 feet and appear the runway terminal airport. Also sustained damage of access road leading to the airport were blocked. About 500 passengers were left stranded inside the facility. At least 18 people of prefecture and the people injured. 8 of them are dealing with the collapsed Toyama city. Over 100 buildings were damaged. At the prefecture of the 19 people were injured. Many buildings collapsed road and they were damaged. Cardiac arrest case was reportedly elder person in the prefecture of the likely linked to the earthquake. And the prefecture 6 people sustained minor injuries. 2 injuries were also reported each and prefecture of the while another person were injured. The prefecture. Severe pipes and although repaired, many homes were left without the water. Shika water was being rationed daily 6 liter per person following earthquake of the third coma of the most in the were damaged. At the also sustained damage of landslide struck main express between the ripping apart the several hundred meter roadway and NTT of the KDDI reported telecommunication internet service distribution and prefecture of the NTT western facility damaged earthquake. Sika nuclear power plant explosion occurred near the power transformer number 02 and a reactor while transforming number 01. Reactor was redundant and irreparable and inoperable due to oil spill and at least 36,000 households lost power following earthquake. Response. Prime Minister of the announced that established special emergency center to gather disseminate the information on the earthquake tsunami. Defense Minister at the order Japan self-defense forces JSDF and assist the rescue effort. He later announced deployed the 1,000 JSDF personnel affected region with the 8,500 others standby aboard the 20 JSDF aircraft were also dispatched to survey and damage. Sika nuclear power plant Ishikawa prefecture of the have been also closed inspection at the time of earthquake. Japanese nuclear regulatory authority also found no irregularity power plant along with the Sea of Japan coastline. Electric power company also shut down to the 2 generator and the thermal power plant in Nano. Shinkansen service were suspended the central eastern part of the Japan following earthquake. Standing at least 1,400 passengers aboard the 4-sealed train for the about 11 hours. Among those stranded on the bullet train service of the Georgian ambassador Japan and train service were also halted up to 24 hours following earthquake. Stranding 1,400 passengers aboard the express train. Several major highway affected the area were also closed. All Nippon Airways, Japan Airlines cancelled flight to the Tokiyama and the Niigata prefecture of the reaction. Emperor at the annual New Year appearance of public 1 January was cancelled due to earthquake. Taiwanese President, Philippine President and United States President Joe Biden, British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese sent condolences. Said that they are also ready to send any assistance to Japan. Armed force to Philippines also offered to collaborate JSTF in the response to earthquake. Aftermath. On the evening of 2 January, collision occurred between Japan Coast Guard aircraft and the humanitarian earthquake. Victoria and the Japan Airlines Flight 516 Haneda Airport, Tokyo, causing the aboard the fire. Both aircraft, all 379 people aboard the passenger plane were evacuated. However, 4 sustained injuries. Captain Coast Guard plane escaped critical injuries while remaining 5 crew members were